Good morning, students. In today's class, we are going to study about the formation of plurals. How plural nouns can be formed. Plural nouns are usually formed by adding s or es to the nouns. For example, look at the noun torch. Its plural can be formed by adding es. Flower, flowers. Kite, kites. So, we can make plural nouns by merely adding s or es. But in the case of nouns that end in a consonant followed by the letter y, plural forms are formed by adding ies. For example, look at the word country. Here the word ends in the letter y. And look at the word army. Here the word ends in the letter y. The plurals of these words can be formed by adding ies. Country, countries. Here y is replaced by ies. Army. Its plural is armies. Y is replaced by ies. So, in the case of nouns that end in a consonant followed by the letter y, plural forms are formed by adding ies. Look at the word sky. Here the word ends in the letter y. Is plural. Can be formed by adding ies. Sky, skies. In the case of nouns that end in the letter f, the plurals are formed by adding ves. For example, look at the word leaf. Leaf is a noun. Its plural can be formed by adding ves. Here, f is replaced by ves. Look at the word calf. Here, f is replaced by ves. Calf, calves. Scarf, scarves. So, in the case of nouns that end in the letter f, their plurals can be formed by adding ves. The letter f is replaced by ves. I would give you another example. Look at the word half. Half ends in the letter f. And its plural can be formed by adding ves. Half becomes halves. Self becomes selves. The plural forms of compound nouns are formed by adding s or es to the principal word in the compound. In our previous classes, we have studied about compound nouns. Compound nouns are formed by a combination of nouns. Example, blackboard. Its plural can be formed by adding s or es to the principal word. Here the principal word is board. So, its plural can be formed by adding s to the word board. Then the plural of blackboard is blackboards. Sister-in-law. This is another compound word. Its plural is formed by adding s to the principal word. Here the principal word is sister. So, its plural is sisters-in-law. So, in the case of compound nouns, their plurals are formed by adding s or es to the principal word in the compound. There are certain nouns which have only plural forms. For example, scissors, jeans, shorts, etc. There is only plural form for them. There is no scissor, jean, short. They have only plural forms. Scissors, jeans, shorts, etc. And some nouns have the same singular and plural forms. For example, look at the word deer. Its plural form is also deer. Look at the word sheep. Its plural form is also she. And some words have irregular plural formations. What is meant by irregular plural formations? Here, the plurals are formed by certain exceptional rules, especially by changing the vowels in a noun. The most usually applied form of irregular plural formation is by changing the vowel sounds in a noun. For example, look at the word food. Its plural is formed by changing the vowel. Food, its plural is feet. Women, its plural is women. Man, its plural is men. Here, the plural is formed by changing the vowel sounds.